Good afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon po.
Ang Hanilet.
Hello, Ma'am Hanilet. Hello, ma. Kamusta ang biyahe? Oo. Kayo nakapasok? Nagpunta kami doon sa ano. Ito ka lang. We were advised daw pwede magbisita. We were advised daw. We went to the... sila yun. Sa visitors, we asked, are we allowed? Yes. So we just asked. Pwede daw? Wala. Nothing wrong if we can ask. Pwede naman. Pamilya naman sila. Security guard, security guard told us.
Hello
Are
po.
you sure we are
Good
allowed?
afternoon po.
Yes. Talaga? Kamusta ang biyahe niyo? Okay naman?